TRT costs between $200 and $500 a month. This costs 25 cents. And I'm going to be straightforward with you, because I was skeptical too. The idea that 3 cheap powders mixed into warm water before bed could move the needle on testosterone the way they moved mine, I would have scrolled past that video 6 months ago. But I was also tired, flat, losing muscle without changing anything, and running out of explanations that weren't just, "you're getting older." Accept it. So I looked at the actual research. Not the supplement company claims. The clinical trials. And what I found made me genuinely frustrated, because this information isn't hidden. It's just buried under an industry that needs you to keep paying monthly. The formula works on 3 separate problems simultaneously. Most men over 50 have all 3 and don't know it. Stay for number 2 especially. That one surprised me the most. Everything is researched and linked in the description. Drop a comment. Have you ever looked into your testosterone levels or just assumed the symptoms were normal aging? I want to know where you're starting from. Magnesium glycinate powder. Go look at the back of any cheap multivitamin sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. You will almost certainly see the words magnesium oxide listed on the ingredient label. Throw it straight in the trash. Standard magnesium oxide is absorbed by the human digestive tract at a miserable rate of roughly 4%. The massive pharmaceutical companies manufacturing these cheap supplements know exactly how biologically useless it is. They use it purely because it costs them absolutely nothing to source. And it actively prevents you from getting the true endocrine benefits of this critical mineral. Magnesium is the absolute most important mineral that most adult men are completely failing to consume in adequate physiological amounts. The specific chemical form matters enormously if you actually want to change your metabolic blood panels. We are focusing exclusively on magnesium glycinate. This is raw elemental magnesium physically bound at the molecular level to the amino acid glycine. That specific chemical combination absorbs seamlessly through the intestinal wall at rates heavily exceeding 80%. But the high absorption rate is only half of the functional story. The glycine component adds an incredibly powerful secondary benefit that changes everything. It acts as the primary inhibitory neurotransmitter directly involved in deep sleep regulation. This is the exact neurological sleep stage where the vast majority of your nightly testosterone production actually occurs. Here is the mechanical biological connection that completely changes how you must think about this mineral going forward. Your body physically manufactures testosterone while you are completely unconscious, specifically during deep slow-wave sleep. Clinical magnesium deficiency directly shortens and violently fragments the slow-wave sleep architecture. It repeatedly wakes your brain up just enough to halt production. Dead in its tracks. It robs you of the restorative window where your body builds back its hormonal reserves. The scope of this deficiency is terrifying. Research from the NIH-funded study established that over 68% of American adults do not meet the basic recommended daily intake for magnesium. That data was published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition. The deficiency rate climbs even higher and faster in men past middle age. Your intestinal absorption efficiency naturally declines year over year. Your kidney urinary excretion naturally increases. You are simply losing it faster than you can possibly eat it. A completely separate massive clinical trial from the University of Palermo followed 399 men to track this exact phenomenon. The conclusive findings published in Biological Trace Element Research are mathematically impossible to ignore. Researchers found a direct and statistically significant correlation between resting serum magnesium levels and both total and active free testosterone. The specific men who were actively deficient showed the largest and most dramatic testosterone increases the moment targeted supplementation was introduced. The effect became extremely pronounced in men who were physically active. This strongly suggests that the vital role magnesium plays in cellular ATP energy production actively amplifies its hormonal effects when paired with physical movement. This specific glycinate form also directly attacks your systemic stress hormones. It actively and aggressively reduces cortisol. Cortisol is the direct biological opponent to testosterone. They fight a brutal war for the exact same physical resources. When your stress cortisol levels rise, your masculine testosterone completely plummets. This internal seesaw relationship becomes increasingly unfavorable and destructive as you get older because your baseline cortisol levels slowly creep upward year after year. By physically improving your deep sleep architecture and forcefully driving down your overnight cortisol levels, magnesium glycinate completely removes one of the primary chemical suppressors of hormone production. No amount of dietary protein or heavy gym sessions can possibly compensate for that chemically suppressed state on their own. You have to fix the overnight chemistry first. That brings us to the most powerful and wildly misunderstood compound here: fenugreek powder. Walk down the baking and spice aisle of literally any local grocery store. Look right past the expensive salts and the basic oregano. You will find a small, unassuming jar of dried yellow-brown seeds sitting there on the bottom shelf for under $2. Most adult men have never even heard of fenugreek. It has been heavily utilized in traditional medical practices across India and the vast Middle East for centuries. They did not use it for basic stomach digestion. They did not use it for mild blood sugar control. They used it specifically and aggressively for raw male vitality and physical strength. Modern clinical science finally caught up to exactly why it works so incredibly well. It comes down to a highly specific and rare class of active chemical compounds called steroidal saponins, particularly one exceptionally potent molecule called protodiosine. Are you ready for the harsh biological truth that your general practitioner completely skips over? The main issue for men is not always that the body has magically stopped making enough testosterone. That is a medical myth. The real issue is that the testosterone you are currently actively making is being converted away and chemically destroyed far too aggressively. Protodiosine physically blocks the specific aromatase enzyme that constantly converts your hard-earned testosterone into useless estrogen and DHT. It aggressively and chemically keeps far more of your body's own natural testosterone in active free circulation. It completely stops the powerful hormone from getting dismantled before it can even do its job in your muscle and brain tissues. This is the critical missing puzzle piece most struggling men overlook. They desperately try to make more hormone without plugging the massive chemical drain at the bottom of the sink. Fenugreek attacks that drain directly. The clinical peer-reviewed data proving this exact mechanism is absolutely bulletproof. A rigorous double-blind and highly controlled placebo trial was conducted at the University of Mary Hardin-Baylor. The resulting data was published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition. Researchers closely followed 49 resistance-trained adult men for 8 full weeks. They found that the specific men actively taking the concentrated fenugreek extract showed significantly greater increases in both total and free testosterone compared directly to the basic placebo group. They also recorded highly measurable improvements in overall physical body composition and raw physical strength. Your free testosterone is the actual unbound fraction of the hormone your body can actually use. That specific unbound fraction increased much more markedly than the total number. This is exactly the clinically relevant metabolic metric required for sustained daily energy and muscle retention in adult men. The scientific validation does not stop there. A completely separate and highly funded clinical trial was launched from Australia's prestigious Centre for Integrative Clinical and Molecular Medicine. Their detailed findings were published in the journal Phytotherapy Research. They rigorously followed 60 healthy men ranging in age from 25 to 52 over 6 continuous weeks. The clinical researchers recorded a massive and highly significant mathematical increase in both total serum testosterone and self-reported sexual function scores in the active fenugreek group compared directly to the placebo. No adverse side effects were reported by any participants at all. 0. None. The practical daily reality of this biological intervention is almost funny when you think about it. This powder literally costs a few pennies per daily serving. It is widely available in massive bulk quantities online or sitting quietly in any local grocery store right now. It operates on a primary mechanism of aggressive biological enzyme inhibition. That exact physiological mechanism is completely distinct from anything found in a standard daily multivitamin or an expensive whey protein supplement. It is not competing with a single thing already sitting in your morning routine. It perfectly fills a massive biological gap that most men do not even know currently exists inside their own bodies. Now we move to the exact vitamin that controls production. Vitamin D drops. Let's talk about the absolute foundation of your endocrine system. Do you really think a simple over-the-counter vitamin could control your entire hormonal axis? It cannot. Not even close. But vitamin D is not actually a vitamin at all. That classification is a historical accident. It is a highly active steroid hormone that outright dictates whether your body produces testosterone in the first place. Every single tissue involved in your hormone production pathway contains specific cellular receptors for it. From the hypothalamus deep inside your brain all the way down to the latex cells in the testes themselves. This means this specific compound does not just support your hormone levels from the outside like some generic supplement. It operates as the internal master switch for the entire factory. If you lack it, the biological machinery simply powers down to conserve energy. We are going straight to the concentrated liquid drop format for a very specific physiological reason. Tablets and dry pressed capsules are practically useless when you actually look at the pharmacokinetic data. Fat-soluble hormones require dietary fat physically present in your digestive tract for actual absorption into the bloodstream. The oil carrier in high-quality liquid drops delivers that required lipid matrix in the exact same microscopic dose. Usually olive oil or MCT oil. You bypass the digestive gamble entirely. Instantly. It goes straight to work at the cellular level. The clinical numbers on this are staggering. A massive cross-sectional study from the Medical University of Graz analyzed 2,299 adult men. They published the explicit results in the journal Clinical Endocrinology. They mapped out a robust and undeniably dose-dependent relationship between blood levels of this specific hormone and total systemic testosterone. The men who were actively deficient averaged testosterone levels nearly 3 nanomole per liter lower than the men with biologically sufficient levels. That is a massive clinical canyon for someone already hovering in the frustrated low normal range, a gap that ruins your energy and completely blunts your physical drive. Why does the medical establishment repeatedly ignore this glaring biological deficit? They treat it like a minor dietary footnote instead of a central endocrine failure. The NIH Office of Dietary Supplements states very clearly that aging adult skin produces this crucial compound from sun exposure at roughly 25% of the efficiency of younger skin. The biological factory simply slows down. The raw materials completely dwindle. You cannot just go outside on a sunny afternoon and fix this deficit. Supplemental concentrated sources are not some optional health luxury. They are absolutely physiologically necessary to force your baseline back into the optimal range. You need clinical precision here to force the adaptation. 4 to 5 drops of a standard 1,000 international units per drop liquid formula delivers exactly what the clinical literature demands. That 4,000 to 5,000 international units daily range consistently triggers the receptor activation your body is currently starving for. It dissolves completely and instantly into any liquid you choose. No bad chemical taste. No chalky texture stuck in your throat. Just direct foundational hormonal support delivered straight into your circulatory system to prime the body for the heavy lifters. Here is exactly how you turn these isolated elements into one protocol. The complete formula. This is where the 3 components become a single highly coordinated protocol. You need 1/4 teaspoon of pure magnesium glycinate powder. Depending on the brand, that gives you 200 to 300 milligrams of elemental magnesium. Add exactly 1/4 teaspoon of the fenugreek powder, which yields 500 milligrams of the active spice. Finally, add 4 to 5 drops of your liquid vitamin D3. These 3 components combine perfectly into a single dose. You can stir this mixture into 4 ounces of warm water. You can mix it into a thick protein smoothie, or blend it seamlessly into your morning nutritional cocktail. You must use warm water specifically if you choose the simplest route. Magnesium glycinate dissolves cleanly in warm liquid without any of that horrible gritty texture that makes other forms unpleasant to drink. Fenugreek powder naturally possesses a mild, slightly maple-like bitterness that warm water actively softens. Using cold water is a massive mistake. Cold water keeps both powders partially suspended rather than chemically dissolved. That alters the texture just enough to make daily compliance much harder. Compliance is literally the only variable that determines whether this formula works. period. If you hate drinking it, you will stop drinking it. The most effective window to consume this mixture is exactly 30 minutes before sleep. This specific timing aligns the magnesium glycinate's powerful sleep-deepening effect precisely with the neurological onset of your slow-wave sleep cycle. It perfectly places the fenugreek's enzyme-inhibiting compounds in deep systemic circulation during the crucial overnight testosterone production window. It also naturally allows the liquid vitamin D to absorb beautifully with whatever residual dietary fat was consumed during dinner. A secondary option exists for men who experience unusually deep sleep on magnesium. Simply split the dose. Take the fenugreek and the vitamin D drops in the early morning. Save the magnesium glycinate for the night. This preserves the hormonal benefits while evenly spreading the metabolic load. You need to know what to expect and when. The powerful effects of fenugreek on your active free testosterone became highly measurable at the 4 to 6 week mark in clinical trials. The heavy impact of magnesium on actual sleep quality is typically noticeable within the first week for deficient men. You will experience deeper sleep. You will have significantly fewer nighttime wake-ups. You will feel far more aggressive physical energy upon waking. Vitamin D blood levels take a full 8 to 12 weeks to meaningfully shift when you are starting from a severely deficient baseline. This means the full combined hormonal effect builds progressively over a solid 3-month period. The men in the clinical trials who showed the most massive testosterone increases were never the ones who took the highest dose. They were the ones who maintained the lowest effective daily dose consistently over the longest continuous period. If you utilize basic bulk pricing, the magnesium glycinate powder runs approximately 8 cents per serving. The fenugreek powder costs 12 cents per serving. The highly concentrated vitamin D drops run roughly 5 cents per daily serving. The total formula costs under 25 cents per day. Less than a literal quarter. You are getting a scientifically validated protocol that addresses 3 completely independent hormonal suppression mechanisms simultaneously. It forcefully stops the estrogen conversion drain. It completely repairs the sleep stage disruption. It actively fixes the signaling failure. All for less pocket change than you would drop on the sidewalk.
Hey, if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments down below any question you have, and I will reply to it as soon as possible. And if you want to, check out this video. You will probably like it too. Thanks for watching.